on the hub right here.
Yeah, the bearings are completely seized. We can't move it.
Keep coming down slowly. We're almost clear of the ice. Copy that. Secure the front beam. Loop it through the forward point.
Got it. Looks secure on this side.
Check the tension before we signal the crane.
Lift sequence initiated. We are breaking ground now.
Down easy, watch the clearance on the rotors.
Forward hooks are secure. Take the slack.
All right, tense them up. Everyone clear the skids. This stuff is thick.
I know. We almost done with this blade?
Yeah, just about.
It finally broke free.
Good. Okay, let's lift it straight up. Careful, it's heavy.
Got it.
All right, clear the hub. Bring her up. Looking good. Move it toward the rack. All right, take the strain slowly.
Clear on the left. Watch the tail rotor.
Keep it steady. Moving left now.
Okay, tension is good. Start the lift.
Copy that. Coming up slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Okay, the oil line is loose.
Got the cap ready. Securing it now. All right, easy now. Bring it down right there. Looks good. Set it down. Watch your feet. All right, next one down. Got it. Need to check the stress fracture there.
Okay, the panels are clear. We can start on the insulation next.
Sounds good. Let's make sure the stringers are stable first.
Look at the pitting on that tooth.
The corrosion is definitely worse than expected. We'll have to pull the assembly.
Significant ice buildup noted on the compressor blades, confirming the contamination. Checking for blade tip contact now.
Found the hairline fracture. See the indication right there on the long arm?
Yep, clear as day under the UV. We need to log this immediately.
Casing's loose. Go easy with the bearing puller on that race. All right, applying tension now. All right, steady pressure out the guide tool.
Got it, it's starting to move.
Clear. Let's get this over to the bench. Okay, applying torque now. Keep that shaft locked. It's holding. Looks like it's starting to separate. Ensure the grease is evenly applied to the outer race.
Looks good, the bearing press is coming off now.
Perfect. The alignment looks spot on.
Applying pressure now. Watch the alignment on your side.
It's centered. The bearing is seating correctly.
That shim brought the clearance right where we need it. Check the dial indicator.
Reading steady at 5 thousandths, ma'am.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment.
Got it, hand me the torque wrench. Aligning shaft 1. What's the reading on the protractor?
Right on the synchronization mark. Looks good. Secure it.
Check the alignment on the forward cross member.
Looks solid, minimal distortion, confirmed.
A little lower on your side.
Okay, watching the clearance now. Looks good.
All right, I'm starting the bolts.